say a little bit more about that generational divide and what it was like for you to grow up in, with a Yiddish writer
Yeah,
father?
yeah. You know, when I started to go to school and I'd meet other people's parents in their house, they'd be speaking English to each other, and they had a TV, and they were interested in sports, which my parents were not at all interested in. So there was a bit of a I don't think unique to our circumstance. I think for a lot of immigrants, it's first generation immigrants, first generation Canadians, it's the same thing. I think it cuts across all cultures. You see your parents as different, as funny, as odd. You know, um, and they weren't cool and reserved like a lot of other people's parents were either. They were very emotional and excitable stuff. Um, my cousin Aaron once had we were talking about our respective parents once. He said to me, other people's parents, he said they went on skiing vacations. He said, our parents, he said, they worried about the fate of the world. So that was their outlook on stuff. So, for a time, as I said, when they talked to me Yiddish, I would answer them in English, and um, but uh, I think they realized that it was different for me, you know, and I wasn't always you know, that understanding of them. I thought, well, they're just old fashioned, so. But my father wanted very much that we should be, despite being in a Yiddish household and speaking Yiddish to each other and having all these Yiddish books, he wanted us to be Canadian. He wanted us to have the same rights and privileges and a lifestyle that other Canadians had.